Greetings and welcome to the video. So I've decided to make this video because there's a topic I wanted to get out there and discuss. And as you probably can see in the title, it's about networking and evolving as an artist together with others. In the background, the video you can see is just me messing around with the model of Diablo. I've been playing a lot of Diablo Resurrected lately and felt inspired to, I wouldn't say copy, but make something similar to that version of Diablo. I'm mainly a traditional / digital illustrator. I've been drawing and painting for, I think it's about my 8th or 9th year now, and I've transitioned into 3D because I wanted to explore and learn something new, which is why I'm actually making this video. So to cut right into the bone, I've always felt kind of alone in this journey through the, let's just say, 10 years now. Because I've never really had anyone to talk about my work with. I've had a few mentors here and there that I've been writing with and getting feedback and constructive criticism, etc., etc. But what I feel like needs to be addressed is the need to have people who you can actually chat with, learn from, and they can even learn from you. Because as we all know, we spend like a ton of hours perfecting our work, getting better, and sometimes we feel stuck because we run into a problem or an unsolved piece that we can't wrap our head around. Like, what I'm trying to say is that we need people that we can run some sparring with, and doing it like in a manner where you actually are lucky enough to build up a relationship, or whatever you want to call it, where you actually are participating in, let's say, a video call, or how it would be if you were together with that person IRL and painting or creating art together. Instead of all this, it all gets very isolated, just sitting behind the keyboard and just texting back and forth. I mean, depending on the problem that you have, like if it's just a minor problem in your painting and drawing and you want to send them that so they can review it and come back with some feedback on what they think could be done differently or whatever. Like, I just think it's important to find a solution, and my solution to that problem is community. So I'm in the process of trying to fix this for myself, because as unfortunate as it is, I've been doing this for quite some time now, and unfortunately I've not been able to make any relationships with people where I can call them and say, hey man, what's up, how you doing, do you want to make some art? That's basically what I want. I know for some people it probably sounds absolutely like rubbish. You might be one of the lucky ones who got some friends that you usually do art with or learn from, and you learn them something that you're specialized in or whatever. But I'm just saying, if you need a place to be, if you need a place to go where you can actually meet people and network and build up a friendship on the side, where you call each other, maybe sit down, create some stuff together, share your screens, whatever, then I'll leave a link in the description to the, let's just call it, my solution to the networking problem. then it will be down there. I'll also leave a link to my Twitch, where I usually stream art, also games, because I like to play, get inspired. And I'll leave some other links, I'll link tree or whatever for my socials if you ever want to reach out or just have a look at my work. then you're more than welcome.